getting deep now? Water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I did this wig guys. The closure that I'm going to be using is a 8 by 4 inches, and I'm going to show you the ventilation process, the sewing, how I did the baby hairs. I know a lot of you came here for the baby hairs. I'm going to show you how I curled the baby hairs guys. So watch every step so that you don't miss out guys. Watch step by step until the end. So right here I'm starting off by sewing my lace on my wig cap from this side all the way to the other side, and when I'm done sewing, I'm going to cut off the wig cap underneath the lace, and then I'm going to start with the ventilation process.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
Right here I'm marking where I want my hairline to stop, which is I measured 4 inches from the back to the front. So right here for the hairline, I'm just starting off by putting dots right here, and then I will join the dots to trace the hairline. That way it will be easier for you to draw your line. So just draw a simple line. It's not like the normal frontal hairline. If you want that, I have a tutorial on that, on how to draw your entire frontal, like from one side of the ear to the other side. I'm going to link that tutorial in the description. So this is the ear that I'm going to be using, bonding flower 19 inches in color number 4, and I've used this here before, like 2 times before, yeah. So right here I've ventilated half, and I'm going to put that white paper underneath right there. So the method that I'm going to be using is method number 3 of my hair ventilation pattern. So I'm going to be skipping lines, and on the line that I'm ventilating, I'm going to ventilate one tiny horizontal line, which is that, and then skip one. So ventilate one right here, then skip one, and ventilate the one in front of it. Guys, as you can see, this video is up close. You can see what I'm saying right there. Just keep one tiny horizontal line and ventilate one, then skip one, then ventilate one until you are done. Right here I'm doing this in section. I'm not ventilating from the back all the way to the front. I'm doing it section by section, section by section, so that it will be easier and I will enjoy it. It won't be too tiring. So you can go ahead and ventilate all the way to the front if you want that, but I just did it in section, and I have other tutorials on how to do this pattern guys. I've used it quite a lot of times, and I have also other patterns that you can use if you don't prefer this one. So at the back I'm picking 2 or 3 strands. I'm mixing 2 and 3 strands, and at the front I mixed 2 and 1. So I'm just going to continue to do this ventilation pattern until I'm done guys. So I won't be talking much in this tutorial. I'll talk when it's necessary, when I want you to understand. Like I've already explained this pattern, and I have more tutorials on this. If you have seen them, that's good. If not, I'm going to link them in the description. So like I said before, I'm skipping one vertical line, and then on the vertical line that I'm ventilating one tiny horizontal, which is one tiny horizontal line, which is those tiny lines that make a hole. So ventilate one of those and then skip one of those, going on like that guys. This is so simple and easy. Ventilate one tiny horizontal line and skip one tiny horizontal line, and ventilate the following, going on like that. And I use this method for the entire closure guys. So I'm going to let you watch, and if you've liked this video so far, please guys give this video a thumbs up comment, share this video, guys. So let's continue.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
So guys, if you want a more detailed tutorial on how to ventilate, I have many of them. You can go and check them out. This one is not that detailed because the video is already long. We have too many things to cover in this video, so that's why I did not do like a very detailed, but I have those tutorials. You can go and check them out on my channel. They are a lot. So right here, I just wanted everything to fit in this video. So this is how the hairline is looking. I'm done with the ventilation, and then I'm going to section the baby hairs that I want to be that I'll be curling later on in the video. So I'm going to start off by sectioning the baby hairs. After sectioning the baby hairs, I'm going to sew the weft at the back, and then after sewing the weft, that is when we're going to be curling the baby hairs, guys. I have another tutorial on how to curl your baby hairs. You can do that, but if you want like the ones that looks like this, that look like 4B curly hair, then keep watching, guys, keep watching. For the sewing, I'm just going to be doing it simple, sewing side to side, side to side. I'm not going to cut my weft. I'm just going to sew from side to side, side to side, side to side until I'm done. So yeah, I won't be talking on sewing because it's self-explanatory and it's so simple to sew long hair. So yeah, just continue sewing from one side to the other side, from the other side to the other side, going on like that. And I'm not going to be cutting off my weft. I'm just going to be doing the flip over method.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
The last track that you saw, we're going to be joining it with the wig cap and the closure. So saw it joining it with the wig cap and the closure together, guys. So I'm just going to continue to sew from this side all the way to the other side, joining the wig cap, the closure and the weft. And then when I reach the other side, I'm just going to cut off the excess weft, and then I'm going to tie and cut off the thread, guys, and you are done with the sewing process.
Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me
For the C-cut, I'm starting near the middle part and then curving going in, and then curve go back to the middle. I hope you understand. Like, let me just let you watch, guys. I will talk and distract you, so just watch, guys. As you can see, so I'm using olive oil and water to activate my curls that I lost when I was ventilating. This here is like an afro with just some curls, some little curls in it. So just water and mousse, you activate the curls, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. And then after applying the mousse and water, I'm just going to be using my brush to brush the hair so that my curls can come back on the hair that I ventilated. So just spray your water, add your mousse to your hair, and then brush your hair. That is how you can get your curls back after the ventilation when you're using this afro curly hair. So for the brush that I'm using, it's just a simple brush. It looks like this, like a detangling brush. So that is what I used to get the curls back. And then after doing this, we're going to start with our curly baby hair, the moment we've all been waiting for. Yeah, I know it's a trend now, the curly baby hairs, everyone wants them. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. So I section a small portion of hair, and then I take my mousse and then I apply it on the hair, and then I take my ventilating needle, my wooden ventilating needle, and then I wrap the hair around the needle like that, guys. And then after doing that, I'm going to be using my blow dryer on high heat, and then I'm going to blow dry the hair for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And then after doing that, I'm going to remove the ventilating needle, and then I'll be using bobby pins to pin the curl so that it can be tight. So guys, it's so simple. Just 3 products: the mousse, the ventilating needle, and your blow dryer and some bobby pins. You can achieve these curly baby hairs, guys. So simple, easy, guys. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Do you like the method, guys? Are you going to try it out? Do let me know, guys. Your comments helps me a lot so that we can understand each other. So I'm just going to continue to do the same thing, wrapping the hair around the straw after applying the mousse and then blow drying it, guys. That is how I achieved it, guys. So simple and easy, guys. So after when the hair is cooled down, you can then remove the bobby pins. And then after removing the bobby pins, I'm going to be cutting off the hair with the scissors. I just left about an inch, an inch of the curly hair. You know what, the curly hair shrinks when you cut it, so when you stretch it, it's about an inch long. So I'm just going to cut. After cutting, I'm then going to separate the hair so that it can look like it's a lot of curls. So just cut. Then after cutting, just separate the baby hairs, guys. that is how I achieved. And if you want another method on how to do your curly baby hairs, I have another method that is different from this one, guys. Do check it out, and if you've seen that one, do say in the comment section, guys, which one you prefer, this one or the other method on how to do your curly baby hairs. So just separate, guys. That is how I achieved this week, guys. Do let me know if this video has helped you in any way, guys. Do let me know, and like this video, comment, share this video, guys. Share, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and joining this family, guys. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. If you've watched from the beginning to this point, thank you so much for your support, guys. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.